Hello guys, meet my budgies. Okay, I have three budgies. This one is Ginny, this one is Hobby, and the last one is their mother, the yellow in color, Mia. Okay, so I have three budgies in a cage since like 6 months, taking full care of them. I love them a lot. They're very friendly in nature. So see the toys in the cage as well, and the water in the pot with some swings around. They can play, they can hang, they can do a lot of stuff inside the cage. They never get bored. Okay, they fight, they chirp, and my YouTube channel name is Chirp Chronicles. So please like the page, subscribe. I'm going to see a lot of videos coming your way for my budgies. Okay, they're very healthy. This one is Mia. Okay, and this one is Hobby. This one is Ginny. See.